Many creators believe that YouTube monetization is the only way to earn from their content. But what if I told you this channel monetizes in ways beyond YouTube? Channels like this are unlocking alternative revenue streams, capable of earning up to $30,000 a month. I'll show you the proof and explain how it works. For example, I created this video in just 10 minutes with free AI tools. Yes, you heard that right. Everything you need is free and can be done quickly. Stick around to learn how these methods can help you make money in your niche and outpace your competitors. I'll also show you real-life examples of channels that monetize without relying on YouTube ads. In this video, you'll learn to create high-quality visuals, animate them, edit your videos, and generate passive income without relying on YouTube monetization. Don't miss the step-by-step guide to generating revenue in ways others aren't. Have questions or critiques? Drop them in the comments. I read them all. Hit like, subscribe, and let's get started. To create a prompt for your images, there are two approaches, and I'll guide you through both. The first one is simpler, while the second provides more unique and creative visuals. Here's the first method. Open the Google document linked in the pinned comment. Inside, you'll find all the AI tools I've used and pre-written prompts for generating images. This is the quickest way to get started. For the second method, start by finding a video with the highest views from your competitor in the same niche. Analyze their video concept to get inspiration for the style and idea. Once you find a video you like and want to replicate, open it and take a screenshot. This will help us create the most accurate prompt for our photo. Then, go to ChatGPT. If you don't have access to the Pro version, there's a free alternative called Poe. On Poe, upload a screenshot of your competitor's video and input something like, "Give me detailed prompts for Leonardo AI to generate images." The AI will generate a detailed and tailored prompt for creating visuals. Now that you've prepared your prompts, it's time to turn them into stunning visuals using Leonardo AI. In Leonardo AI, switch to Legacy mode in the settings. This mode provides greater control, allowing you to craft precise, high-quality visuals. Use the Leonardo Lightning XL model. It's free to access and produces incredible results. Decide how many images you need for your project and set the resolution to a vertical 9:16 ratio, perfect for YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels. Input your prompt and let the AI generate the image. Carefully review the result to ensure it meets your expectations. If the image has any minor issues, tweak the prompt and generate it again. Remember, visuals are key to capturing your audience's attention, so take your time to perfect this step. Once you're satisfied with the images, you can move on to the next stage. Before animating your images, you'll need a separate animation prompt. Return to Poe and input something like, "Give me prompts to animate them in Hailuo." If you're using prompts from the Google document, you'll also find animation prompts there. Just copy and paste them. Now that you've prepared everything for animating your images, it's time to move on to Hailuo and bring them to life. The best part? You'll receive free credits when you sign up, which are more than enough to complete your video without spending a dime. To get started, head over to the Hailuo platform and log in. Select the photo to video mode. Begin by uploading your image. Once your image is uploaded, take the prompts you generated and insert them into Hailuo to guide the animation process. Next, choose the old mode, because it works better than the new version. When you're satisfied with your settings, hit the Generate button and let Hailuo work its magic. Once the animation is ready, carefully review the results. Hailuo provides excellent quality, but sometimes minor tweaks might be necessary to perfect the output. Keep in mind that these clips will have a watermark, but there's no need to worry. We'll address this during the editing stage, so it won't affect your final product. Now that everything is done, move to CapCut to edit your video. Open CapCut, click Import, and voila! Your asset will appear neatly in CapCut, ready to go. Drag your file to the timeline. As promised, let's remove the watermark from the video. Select the video clip and click Resize. Stretch the video so that the watermark is no longer visible. Repeat this process with each video, but I'll leave it at that. Next, we need to find music and sound effects. For this, we'll also use Poe. Go to Poe and write something like, "Write keywords for a prompt so I can find music and sound effects." Once you get the keywords, copy them and go to the Pixabay website. Here, you will find everything you need. Select the music category and paste the keywords into the search bar. Browse through the results and choose music that you like. Remember, It should reflect the mood of your video and is one of the main elements. Once you've selected the music, select the sound effects category and paste the keywords into the search bar. Now, pick sound effects you like. Download everything and go to CapCut. Export it all and add the music to the timeline. Cut it where the video ends. Click on the music in the timeline and lower its volume in the right corner. Then, drag the sound effect to the timeline. Place it at the specific moment and cut it. Also, lower its volume. The effect should complement, not dominate the video. You can also experiment with effects. CapCut offers many interesting and free options. Go to the Effects tab, select the one that suits your video, and add it to the timeline, synchronizing it with the moment you need. But I will skip them for now. Let's make everything look polished and professional. Use a filter you like, such as this one. Drag it to the timeline and stretch it across the entire length of the video. Adjust its intensity, around 50 to 60%, to add cinematic feel. Finally, it's time to export your finished video. Click Export, select the resolution, 4K or 1080p, and hit Export. Now, let's explore how you can start earning money from your channel without relying on YouTube's traditional monetization methods. There are several creative ways to turn your content into income, and I'm about to share some of the most effective ones with you. Well, let's not forget that this channel is monetized, generating a significant income approximately between $10,000 and $20,000 per month. But now let's move on to the first way of monetization, selling wallpapers for your phone. Take a look at this Instagram page. In their profile bio, there's a link to their wallpapers. Each wallpaper costs between $4 and $6. It might not seem like much, but if 50 people buy them a day, which is quite realistic given their audience size, that's over $250 a day and over $7,500 a month. In my opinion, this is a great side income. You can absolutely do this on YouTube as well. The next method is promoting affiliate links, like this channel does in the example. He promotes some Galaxy AI, which costs $15. Let's say his commission is 50%. So if 10 to 15 people sign up through his link, he'll earn $100. That's at least $3,000 a month. Now imagine if he had not just one channel, but 3 or even 5. This is entirely realistic because, as you can see, creating videos takes very little time. Let me show you the final method, and then we'll calculate everything. The final method is simple donations, like this Instagram account does. While it's not much money, you'd agree that an extra $200, $300 doesn't hurt. You can do this using platforms like Ko-Fi. So now, let's calculate everything. YouTube monetization, $20,000. Selling phone wallpapers, $7,500. Promoting affiliate links from $3,000. And donations, another $300. That gives a total of $30,800. And imagine having 5 such channels. That's $150,000. You could earn in a month what some people make in a whole year. If you enjoy what I'm doing, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me grow my channel. Also, don't miss the next part coming in 2 days. I'll show another niche and other monetization methods. But for now, check out this video.